creamed corn, we take the corn off the cob. This is why I don't buy frozen corn or pre-shucked corn, because I want the cob. The cob is very valuable to me because there's as much corn flavor in this cob as there is in the kernels. Obviously you can't eat the cob, but what you can do with the cob is you could make stock. So I have my 6 cobs of corn, which we cleaned. I'm gonna add 2 quarts of water, a bay leaf, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna take an onion. I'm just gonna take the peel off the onion and cut it into quarters. This all gets strained, so you don't have to be perfect here. Onions go in. Also, I'm gonna add, I have some toasted coriander seeds that are gonna go in here too. And there's this great kind of milkiness that is in the cob of the corn. And as this cooks, it's gonna throw that corn milk into your water, which is gonna help make the corn not only creamier, but cornier. About a tablespoon of toasted cracked coriander seeds.
Are there other things you would throw in this stock?
Yeah, I mean, I keep it pretty simple because then I use it, I can impart flavors afterwards. If you wanted to make like a spicy broth, you could put a jalapeno in here. But I keep this pretty simple. It goes on my hot grill, bring it up to a boil, drop it down to a simmer, and then that's gonna simmer for about 45 minutes. So I have an onion, garlic, and a little bit of bacon. And I just have a saute pan. We're gonna put the saute pan over the heat. I'm gonna start rendering out my bacon. This is pretty thinly sliced bacon that I'm just dicing up. So the pan's getting hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. I'm gonna add my bacon to the pan. Remember, bacon is technically already cooked. It's been cured and smoked. And once my bacon gets nice and crispy, we are going to add our onion and our garlic and then our corn. I have my bacon crisping here for the creamed corn. And you can see Liv, see how nice and crispy it is?
Oh,
but it's rendered that fat in there, which I'm good with, because we are going to add our onions and our garlic to it with a little bit of a pinch of salt. Even though bacon has some natural salt, we still want to add a little bit of salt. We're back over the heat now, and we're just gonna give this a stir, and we're over medium heat here. So in about a minute, they are broken down and ready to go. Then we are going to add our corn. This is the corn kernels from 6 cobs. I'm gonna put the zest of 1 lime in here so it renders out with the corn. So corn goes in right on top. And then the last thing we have to do is we need to strain that delicious corn stock that we have had simmering away. And you can see it's just like a nice clear broth. Mm-hmm. But see how it's like a little cloudy, Liv?
Yeah.
That's like that milk from the cob working its way into the broth. And then our stock goes right on top of our bacon, onion, garlic, lime, and corn situation. And we just let this simmer away till the corn gets nice and tender. Our corn is continuing to simmer away, Liv. Corn is just about ready to put the goodies in.
Yes.
So there you go, bacon, onion, corn, garlic. I'm gonna cut up some cilantro for you.
And I'm gonna put a tablespoon or 2 of butter in here.
Nice.
And I'm also going to add a half a cup of sour cream.
So there's no actual cream in there, there's just the sour cream.
In regular cream corn, is there heavy cream?
In theory, I believe there is.
Okay.
I don't know what's in that stuff in the can. I can't
Yeah,
tell you.
no telling.
But you can see that corn stock reduced, it's starting to get thick. Boom.
Thank you.
Hit you
let
with
me
the
get a bigger
cilantro.
stirring vessel here. I'm gonna dish up a little creamed corn.
All right, tell me what you think about the whole dish together.
The combination of this is incredible. You get a little sweetness from the corn, a little creaminess. I like the sour cream because it adds just a teeny bit of tartness. It's got some good smoke. It's got a mild heat. The sweetness of it's so good.